Hello, writers. Today you are going to need your pencil, your writing journal, and some crayons. We're going to use our writing journal to draw a picture and add some words. We're going to be adding words called labels this week. So you will need to turn to the first page in your journal that hasn't been written on yet. So you'll notice, just like as you flip through the pages of a storybook, there's already some things with writing and drawing on them, and you have to turn each page one by one to get to the next clean page. Here's the page we're going to start on today. Remember, we use lines and the picture space to share our ideas in our writing journal. Today, we're going to draw a picture of a pumpkin. I think I'm going to start by drawing a picture with my crayons today. I'm going to draw a nice big pumpkin right in the middle of my drawing space. And I usually use shapes when I draw, makes things a little bit easier. I know pumpkins are kind of round and sometimes they have something sticking out at the top that grows on the pumpkin space there. And I think I'll draw the ground because that's where the pumpkin would be sitting. And sometimes I've seen leaves or curly vines on pumpkins before. My pumpkin kind of has some brown spots and I think some yellow spots on it too. Now, I'm ready to add some words about my pumpkin. When we looked at our Let's Find Out magazine today, we noticed that the words that were in the magazine were telling us about pumpkins. But then there were some words by the pictures. Sometimes you're going to see words beside a picture. Those are called labels. They help a reader understand something more about a picture. We're going to take our picture and we're going to write a word that tells about one of the parts of our pumpkin. I think I want to tell about this part right here, this part that grows out of the top of a pumpkin. That's called a stem. I'm going to write a word right beside that part of the pumpkin so that anyone who looks at my picture knows that's what that part is called. That's what labels do. They help a reader and they help someone understand better. I'm going to write the word stem. I'm going to say the word very slowly, and the sounds that I hear, I'm going to try to remember what letterland characters make those sounds. St, M. That sounds like Sammy Snake. St, t, 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 t. Talking Tess. Eh, 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 eh. Sounds like Eddie Elephant. Mmm, mmm. And that sounds like Munching Mike. There's the word stem. Now I'm going to draw a line from the word to the part of my picture that word is telling about. I would like for you to draw a picture in your journal today. I would like for you to draw a pumpkin. You can use a word label just like I used, or you can label something else on your pumpkin that tells more. Maybe you can practice stretching out the sounds that you hear in a word and writing the letters that go with maybe ground or leaf or vine. Do that today in your journal.